Hello, my dear student. I am GD sir, subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today, we are going to solve exercise of chapter number 1, Finding My Way, written by the famous gold painter Venkat Raman Shyam Singh. Okay, so let's start to solve the exercise. Exercise number A. Tick the most appropriate option. You can see here is the given statement with the option, and also given four options to write to select the one option that is the correct and add with the statement. Okay, so statement is in the first statement is Venkat was named by his, it means who named Venkat. So option number A will be correct. Grandfather Prasadi Lal UK. Okay, UK is named Venkat Raman. Next is Venkat compares Vasudeva's song to the Plas flower because. So select the option number C. Both showed off their beauty. It means Plas flowers and Vasudev song both are showed off their beauty. Next is, it means option number 3. The principal laughed when young Venkat touched his ears because he, so select the option number C, was amused by the boy's smartness. Okay, principal laughed at the smartness of the boys. Okay, option number 4. Jagra was impressed with Venkat as a young boy because he, so you will select the option number C, drew pattern that looked like cracked earth, not dots and lines. Clear? Now exercise number F, match this audience with their meaning. So you will read down both column and select the correct audience with their meaning. So first is up to one's ears in depth. So you will match it with the option number D, own someone a lot of money. Second, he is someone's debt. It means the option number C, feel grateful to someone for what they have done for you. Clear? So option number C, run into debt. It will be option number B, own someone money. Okay, run into debt means own someone money. Fourth is out of debt. Out of debt means option number A, no longer own money to anyone. Clear? Now next is option number G. Which of these clauses express a complete meaning? Why or why not? Discuss your answer in class. Okay, so you will see here, I will tick it. I did not understand much. It is the express a complete meaning because a sentence has their own sense, and if the sentence not express their complete meaning, then it will be not a sentence or clause. Okay, so I did not understand much, it is the clause. What kind of clause? Complete meaning of clause. Second is I enjoyed the music. It is also express the complete sense, so it will be a clause. Okay, next is third, and I did not understand much. So you can see here is the huge conjunction word I, and this sentence depend upon to other sentence, so it will be not a complete meaning, it has not a complete meaning. And fourth is though I did not understand much, and you can see here is the use though words, that is the depend on other sentences, and it has not expressed complete sense, so it will be not a clause. What kind of clause? Complete meaning of clause. Fifth is also a incomplete meaning of clouds. Sixth is you can read a smooth paste. It is the complete. It is the express complete sentence and it has no any conjunction word. So it is the complete meaning of clouds. Seven is you cannot hold a brush and paint. It is also express a complete meaning of the clouds. So it is the clouds sentence. And because it is the huge, because is a conjunction word, and this sentence express the express that it is depend to other sentence, so it has not a complete meaning. So it we cannot say it is the complete meaning of clouds. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks with conjunctions from the box and notice how the meaning of the sentence changes. Which of these conjunctions can you not use and why? Okay. So you can see some of the words. The silk route is interesting. So you will add the silk route is interesting. It passes through many old town. So you will you can see here many conjunction word like and, because, though, or, unless. So you will only two conjunction word to add. It means join both of the sentences. You can say this statement as a the silk route is interesting and it passes through many old towns, or you will add it the silk route is interesting because it passes through many old towns. Okay. So both are the conjunction word used in the blanks, and rest of the conjunction word is you cannot use here as a join the sentence. Okay. Next is exercise number I. Exercise number I. Complete these sentences based on your reading of the text. Okay. So option number 1, a Venkat Shyam did not learn from books, but he was the famous gond painter. Okay. Second option is Venkat's grandfather gave him his name, which you will write down the next words, which is a long winded one. Okay. Next is, it means option number third, Venkat loved the music that the Vasudev sang. Okay. The Vasudev, a person who take the bana and ring them. Venkat loved the music that Vasudeva sang. Okay. Option number 4, Jagrah was Venkat's uncle who taught him to painting. Okay. Who taught him how to paint. Clear. Fifth is the principal was not sure, so he changed Venkat's date of birth to admit him in a school. Okay. So you will fill it with their proper sentences. Next is rewrite each set of sentences as one sentence using the conjunction in a brackets. First is, on winter mornings a Vasudeva would pass through our village and full stop, he was a pictures of grace and dignity. So you can see here is the word given in a bracket who, and this who word is a conjunction word, and use this who word to add both of the sentence with the proper way. So you will see in a sentence, after the village, remove the full stop and write down who, and he remove the he words. Okay. So it will be, on winter morning a Vasudeva would pass through our village who was a picture of grace and dignity. Next, second, Plas flower flouted their beauty along the Halon river. After the river you will remove the full stop and add word where I often walked there. Clear? Third is I was influenced and inspired by a set of drawing. After the drawing you can see full stop, remove the full stop and use the that conjunction, and after that you will write down the complete sentence. I found them in a trunk. Fourth is my mother told me. After the me remove the full stop and use the that conjunction and then make a sentence. A mother told me that the drawings had been destroyed. Okay. Fifth is I am reminded of the stories Anand told me. After the me you will remove the full stop and also remove the word they. In place of they you will use the conjunction word which. Okay. Told me, which were about how some Hindustani musician teach. Okay. Now next exercise, match these columns to complete the proverb. Underline the main clauses in each proverb. Okay. So you will see here is the two column first and second, and use the first column with the second column and also complete the proverb. Okay. First is when the going gets through. So you will see in the second column. So in the second column see the option number C. We will match first option number C, when the going gets through the tough get going. Okay. Second is I don't cross the bridge. Second match with D option, don't cross the bridge till you come to it. Okay. Third is give credit, and third match with A option, give credit where it is due. Fourth is look, and fourth match with E option, look before you leap. Okay. And fifth is make hay, and it is matched with F option, make hay while the sun shine. And last is he loves best, and remaining is B option, so match it, he loves best who loves lost. Okay. And last is read the first two paragraphs of the text again and then complete the notes. Okay. So you will do it by reading the two paragraph of the text and then complete this exercise yourself. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and I will come back to take a next video for you.